Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet crosshatch stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4. I have already made 28 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 3 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Chain 3. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. That's 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. Skip 3 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Chain 3. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. We have 3 chains left in our row. Skip 2. Make 1 single crochet into the last chain. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 4 chains. You're going to look at those 4 chains you just made, and you're going to make 3 double crochet into the 4th one. So this is that single crochet we made in our last row. This, the one right above it, would be the 4th one. So 3 double crochet into that 4th chain. So 1, 2, and 3. You're now going to skip these 3 double crochet made in our last row into these previous chains right here. You can see there's an open space. Make a single crochet, chain 3, and then make 3 double crochet into this space. So 1, 2, and 3. That's how that's looking so far. You're going to skip over this single crochet. You're going to skip over these 3 double crochet. You're going to be working into these open spaces now. So into this previous open space, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 3, then make 3 double crochet into this open space. 1, 2, and 3. Skip to the next open space right here and make a single crochet, chain 3, make 3 double crochet into that same open space. 1, 2, and 3. Skip to the next open space, make a single crochet, chain 3, make 3 double crochet into this open space. So same thing now that we're at the end of our row. Skip this single crochet, skip this double crochet, You can see this is an open space made from some chains. You're going to just make a single crochet into that open space. And that's going to be the last stitch of your row. And that's what row 2 is looking like. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet crosshatch stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.